Okay, so how do you read messages on your Apple Watch? Welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly that because it is a straightforward process. So I'll guide you through each step to ensure you get the most out of your Apple Watch messaging experience. At first, let's talk about the basics. To read your messages on the Apple Watch, simply go to your Messages app, and this should already be installed on your watch. It's not like you have to download it. And when you open it up, all of your texts and chats should sync right away, which should give you immediate access to your latest conversations, and it's just going to be as simple as that. However, if you want to make sure you never miss a message, you'll need to set up notifications. This is done through the Watch app on your paired iPhone. So open the Watch app and then navigate to the Messages section, and here you'll have the choice between mirroring your iPhone's notifications or customizing them specifically for your watch. For a better experience, I recommend not choosing the mirror option. Instead, select Custom and enable the notifications and other settings that you prefer. This way, you can tailor the alerts to suit your needs, ensuring you get notified promptly and clearly. In addition to the Messages app, there are other apps like Mail, perhaps third-party messenger, or like WhatsApp, which can also have a dedicated watch app. They might not have it too, so if they do have it, you can install it on your watch to get a better user experience about that third-party app. In the case of like WhatsApp, for example, it doesn't have a dedicated Apple Watch app, but you can still set up notifications on your wrist from the iPhone, so whenever you receive a WhatsApp message, it can also be shown on the watch, so it's going to be very simple that way. So you can also set it up and be happy with your messages. So that is essentially everything. It is a pretty basic topic, but in case you have any specific questions, just let me know down below in the comments. But for now, thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys later.